Hi, I'm JD, and what we're going to be looking at today are linear equations. We're going to look at the concept of them and then also an example. So the way to think about linear equations or equations in general is a balancing act. Whatever you do on one side, you do the other side. You want equal scales. So if you add too much to one side and don't add enough, then it's going to be unbalanced. So keep the balance, the scales in the back of your mind. But here's what you're going to do. So you have the goal of getting the variable all by itself. Your first step, and the way to think about these steps is kind of like a flow. You might need them, you might not. Step one is to simplify both sides if you need to. Step two is to add or subtract both sides. You want to get the variables to one side and all your constants, everything that doesn't have a variable, to the other side. Then step three is you want to multiply both sides by the reciprocal, or divide both sides by the coefficient. Coefficient just means number in front of the variable. Reciprocal is take a fraction, you flip it. Step four is to verify. To verify equations, it's very easy. You just plug it back into the original. Now, key questions to ask yourself throughout: what am I solving for? What operation is being done? And how do I undo that? And then when it comes to an equation, you have a left side and a right side. And again, you want to keep both of those sides equal. So whatever you do one side, you want to do the other side. All right, so let's look at this equation. So we have 5x plus 7 equals 32. First step is to simplify. Well, this is already simplified. I want to get all my variables to one side and all my constants, everything that doesn't have a variable, to the other side. So I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. So I get 5x. Now this is 0. Plus 7 minus 7 is 0. So it's 5x plus 0, which gives you 5x. 32 minus 7 is 25. Then you want to divide the coefficient off, which here it's 5, so we're going to divide both sides by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 1 times x is x. So that's what you're doing here. You're trying to get 1 in front of the x. And then 25 over 5, or 25 divided by 5, is 5. So your solution is 5. And that's it. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please email me at jdmathguy@gmail.com. You can also check out my blog, mathtalkwithjd.blogspot.com. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful night.